Hello everyone. I usually make a video of making bento, but today I'm making a video of dish that I prepare for dinner for my family. I went to the fish store today nearby my house and I got a nice set of sashimi, raw fish. So I'm going to make Moriawase, which is a mixed sashimi platter for dinner. So this is a flounder, which is Hirame. The fish store that I used is specialized in wild caught fish in Japan instead of farm raised fish. Many supermarkets and fish stores in Japan nowadays sell mainly farm raised fish and fish from overseas. If you go to cheap sushi restaurants in Japan, you will end up eating a farm raised fish or fish from overseas only, so you need to be careful. And this is Gizzard shad. We call it Kohada. This fish is marinated with a rice vinegar. And my oldest daughter and I love fish marinated in vinegar. This is the blue fin tuna, Maguro. And this is the monkfish liver. We call it Ankimo. This liver is steamed. I'm not against farm-raised fish, but since I live in Japan, which is surrounded by the ocean, I'd rather provide my family with a fresh seafood-eating organism found in their existing environment. Now I'm ready to put everything together into one plate. I usually prepare this Moriawase once a week because my kids love sashimi, and for me, it's very easy dinner to prepare. I just make a bowl of rice and miso soup and some vegetables dish and this plate of sashimi, and the dinner is ready. So I make a bento for my daughter and my wife for lunch, and I also make a breakfast, and I make a dinner for my family as well. Even though I'm working full time, it's very hectic every day, so sometimes I need a break. So this sashimi plate makes my week easier. So this is a monkfish liver. I just cut into slices and put on the plate. And this is done. Looks good. Thank you very much for watching. Today's video was not about making bento, but I hope you enjoy it. I would like to share some of our Japanese culture with you guys other than bento. Okay, so thank you very much. Bye bye.